Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you the Christmas song, O Little Town of Bethlehem. I'm going to play through the whole song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So be sure to stick around until the end for that. So let's go ahead and get started.
O little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in thy dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. O holy child of Bethlehem, descend on us, we pray. Cast out our sin and enter in. Be born in us today. We hear the Christmas angels their great glad tidings tell. Oh, come to us, abide in us, our Lord Emmanuel.
I'm going to be playing this song in the key of D, but I'm going to be using the C chord family with my capo on the 2nd fret. So the chords I'm using the C chord, the G chord, I'm using the F over C chord, which is a nice F alternative in the C chord family. You don't have to bar anything with this chord. I'm playing with my 3rd and 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the A and D string, and then I've got my 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and my 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And I'm going to start my strumming on the A string and strum down, and that's my F over C. Then I have an A minor 7. I have a D minor. Make sure for that D minor you start your strumming on the D string, so we're going to exclude the A, the E, and the A string. Both of those strings are not included in that D minor chord. And then we also have an E major thrown into this song as well. For the strum pattern, I'm going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums and then an up strum after beat 4, and then that pattern repeats. So basically it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. But as always, we want to make that more interesting by adding some dynamics. So we're going to strum harder, add emphasis on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat we're going to strum harder, and for 2 and 4 we're going to strum softer. Okay, so if I just hold my C chord and play through that strum pattern, this is what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.